What's going on YouTube? Today's video we have a brand new microphone. This is the FIFINE AmpliTank Tank1. This is their more premium option that FIFINE does offer. All I'm going to say before I begin is this is my absolute favorite microphone that FIFINE has ever created. So first we're going to start off the unboxing experience. It's very simple. It's an all black box with some green accents similar to the previous microphone we did of this one. Basically just get the microphone. There's no cable or anything, which I mean, for the price, I would bet there would be a XLR next time, but it's okay. It's a full metal construction. Now, these microphones that FIFINE does create are absolutely stunning. Like, the tank versions are absolutely stunning. There was a spider right there. Okay, anyways. Well, I lost track of what I was saying. I don't know. Let's just jump straight into the setup process. So it's pretty simple. We have it right here. So very minimal branding. Like I said, this one is super heavy. I think it weighs about between 3 to 5 pounds. Which is absolutely insane because for the, the size of it, it's super heavy. But even with the boom arm that I have on right now, the low profile boom arm from FIFINE also, it's able to handle it with no issues whatsoever. So that's what I really like. We're going to get straight into it. I'm recording right now with the Audacity. Okay, so this is what the FIFINE microphone sounds like. Now, the thing is I am using the SC1 from also FIFINE again. Now, the thing that differentiates this microphone for a bunch of other ones is because of the toggles on the back of the microphone. So it has a flat, completely flat EQ, and then it also has a presence boost, basically, which increases the vocals without having to do any post-production. So this is perfect for podcasting, perfect for streaming, which this is why I love this microphone, because previously I had two microphones in order to do this, and you guys probably know that. The FIFINE AM8 for live streaming, and the Tank 1 or Tank 3, I use that one specifically for voice overs. Now this one does both of that, which is a game changer. So right now I have it on the both toggles turned on, so not flat, and a low pass filter turned on. The low pass filter gets rid of all the noise for like machines and electronic interference and stuff like that. So it cuts that out. It might drop down the bass a little bit depending on the voice. So this is what it sounds like when that's on like the flat option. Just to get in consideration, we're still on the complete raw audio. We're not going to show you guys what it sounds like edited when I edit it, which I don't even think I really need to edit this microphone too much. I do just in case, but I don't really have to unless I need to boost the gain up a little bit. And this is what it sounds like when you turn off the presence boost. So now it's on the complete raw audio format. Basically, this is what it sounds like if you edit the audio. So this is what it would sound like if you edit the audio in post-production with the toggles turned off. Now we have the low pass filter turned on, so it should cut out some of the other background noise. We're going to do a separate noise cancellation test very shortly, but this is what it sounds like with the low pass filter turned on, and now that is turned off. Now we're going to go ahead and turn on the presence boost basically for the vocals. So that's what the mid boost gain switch is on. So this is what it's going to sound like with that, and we are fully raw right now. And now we're going to go on edited for this version as well. And now we're going to go ahead and turn both of them on. So now this is what this sounds like for both of them on, the mid presence boost, whatever you want to call it, the EQ basically, and as well as the low pass filter. So the fact that this has onboard controls for that, absolutely game changer, because you don't have to edit. If you don't know how to edit audio, this does it for you. It's plug and play. It's super quick. It's super responsive. It works really flawlessly. So you don't have any issues when it comes to not knowing audio so much. It's a plug and play, just like Shure SM7B and stuff like that, coming in at like $200 cheaper. You don't even have to be super close. Like, I'm probably 6 inches away. It's a dynamic microphone like most of them are, so you don't have to be, you can't be far, but you also can't be super close, because if you're like super close, this is what it's going to sound like. But that was obviously me whispering. If you were to shout or just like yell, then we did a noise cancellation test with the 3 modes. So we have our air purifier. We're going to turn it on the 3rd setting. We have this Drio water filter. We're going to have that one set up. And then we also have our fan that we're going to turn on and point directly at the microphone. So the fan is still on, but it's not on turbo mode. But we have the air purifier turned on now. Here's some dead air. I'm going to turn off the low pass filter. So now the low pass filter is turned off, just to give you an idea whether it's able to pick it on or not. All right, and now we're going to go in the 2nd setting here. I think we have the low pass filter turned off still. No, we have the low pass filter turned on now. So we have fan speed 9 going on in the background. You can see it right there. And now we have the Drio. So now we did all of it, okay? We're doing all of it. So now you have it like right next to the microphone, like it's genuinely like a foot away. And then you have the fan there in the back. Then we're going to turn off the low pass filter. So now the low pass filter is turned off. So whether it's going to pick up the hum, dead filter, I don't know. Okay, and then we're going to turn it back on. So yeah, that's what it sounds like for this noise cancellation test. I'll just keep it on, why not? So who is this microphone for? Is it for streamers? Is it for gamers? Is it for audio tech nerds? Basically, it's for everyone. Honestly, it covers everything that I need for my personal usage, for clientele, big projects, or when it comes to streaming or just casual, even just talking to your friends on like bang for your buck for only $100. I say only, but it's only like double the price of most budget microphones. Like most budget microphones you can get for about 40 to 50 bucks. This one's just a little bit more, but giving you a lot more of your bang for your buck, basically. I don't think it's going to be being replaced anytime soon unless I get a Shure SM7B or something better than that or on par to that. But it would have to be a multi-$100 sound difference or better. Just, I don't know, it just has to be way better in terms of this. And the technology is only going to get better. So this is, because it's new, the technology is already way better. And you should expect that, especially from FIFINE, a lot more recently, because they have new microphones coming out. So they have some that are coming out with the software. I can't say too much, but that's going to be coming out very soon. So stay tuned for it. Without further ado, thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for all the support and all the love you've been sharing. I'll see you guys in the next video. By the way, all the noise is still going on right now, so